Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find reposted TikTok videos. So if you are wondering where is your the videos that you reposted on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. You can just go to your profile, and then here you'll find this icons right here, like the arrow loopings like this. So this is where you can find the reposted video. So you can just tap on that and you'll find the videos that you've reposted on TikTok. So if you want to delete one of them, for example, here you can just click on the video and then you can click on the share button, and there will be this option, remove from repost. So just tap on that and the video will be removed from your repost list. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.